Welcome to Zooluminati. I hope you enjoy the video. Imagine standing shoulder to shoulder with someone you love, watching the same sunset, or so you think. The sky explodes in color. But what if I told you the sunset they see is completely different from yours? Not just emotionally, but biologically, physically, perceptually. In this video, we're going to chase the most unique sunset perspective in the world and reveal why no two people ever see the same sky. Sunsets, nature's slow-motion finale, painted in flaming reds, soft purples, and golden fire, they stop us in our tracks, turn our heads skyward, and sometimes make us cry. But here's the mind-bending part. That radiant canvas you see is entirely yours. Your best friend standing beside you? They're looking at a completely different painting. In this video, we'll explore the strange science of how we see light and color, how the atmosphere bends reality, and how our memories, emotions, and even genetics shape the colors we think we see. Let's start with the hardware, your eyes. Inside them are specialized cells called cones and rods that detect light and color. Most humans have 3 types of cones, letting us see millions of shades. But even within that normal range, variations exist. Some people have denser cone distributions. Some perceive green as bluish or red as more muted and never know the difference. And then there are outliers. Take tetrachromats, people, often women, with 4 types of cones. They can perceive colors you and I can't even imagine. What looks like orange to most of us could be a wild, swirling mix of hues to them. On the other side, about 8% of men and 0.5% of women have some form of color blindness. They might see fewer shades or confuse reds and greens entirely. So even before the sunset hits your retina, the differences are already baked into your biology. Now let's talk about the sky itself. Sunlight isn't just yellow, it's actually white, a mix of all colors. As the sun sets, it sinks lower in the sky, and light travels through more of Earth's atmosphere. Blue and violet light scatter first, which is why the sky is blue during the day, leaving behind warmer hues like orange, red, and pink. But here's the twist. The atmosphere isn't the same everywhere. In Los Angeles, pollution and smog may dim your sunset into a soft, grayish orange. In the Sahara, dust particles scatter light in strange golden ways. Near the ocean, salty mist refracts color with a unique shimmer. Even humidity, temperature, altitude, and forest fire smoke can shift what colors bounce toward your eyes. So yes, your location changes your sunset, but so does the ever-changing soup of particles in the air between you and the sun. Now things get weirder. Vision isn't just light hitting your eyes, it's what your brain decides that light means. Your brain constantly edits your perception. It enhances contrast. It auto-corrects white balance. It fills in gaps based on memory and expectation. And this gets deeply personal. Say you once watched a sunset on a beach during a life-changing moment. A proposal, a breakup, a goodbye. Your brain may now associate those same hues with a flood of feelings. When you see similar colors again, your perception is skewed. You may even see the colors more vividly than they actually are. That's not a glitch, it's a feature. It's also why nostalgia makes everything more colorful, literally. Now add your surroundings to the mix. If you're watching a sunset from a snowy mountaintop, the reflected light on white snow intensifies your perception of cool blues and purples. If you're in a lush green jungle, your brain may dull the greens to better contrast the sky. This is called color constancy. Your brain adjusts what you see based on what it thinks should be there. Photographers know this all too well. Shoot a sunset through a tinted window or a polarized lens, and you'll capture an entirely different vibe. But our brains do this kind of editing all the time, without us noticing. So 2 people standing side by side, even in the same place, are perceiving different skies. Not just because of what their eyes see, but because of how their minds interpret it. Finally, we reach the heart of it. Sunsets are often quiet moments of reflection. Your personal experiences, where you are in life, who you're with, what you're feeling, all paint extra layers onto that sky. Ever cried during a sunset? Felt peace, longing, closure? That emotional lens adds something color cannot measure. Your sunset is a mirror, not of the world, but of you. No algorithm, camera, or science experiment can fully replicate what you feel in that moment, and that's what makes it irreplaceable. So the next time you gaze at a glowing horizon, remember, that sunset belongs to you. It's filtered through your biology, shaped by your environment, colored by your memories, and made unforgettable by your heart. No two people see the same sunset, and that's a beautiful reminder that no two of us experience the world the same way. Share your most unforgettable sunset moment in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy hidden knowledge and strange facts, please click the link provided here for more awesome videos. Zooluminati is always searching for the truths of the universe.